So these are grand fir tips. I'm gonna make a nice little salad vinaigrette with these as the flavoring. They're very lemony and they taste like the forest. So what I would do if I wasn't holding my camera is I would chop these fine, and then I'm going to toss these over some tomatoes, make a little vinaigrette. This is just a quick vinaigrette with apple cider vinegar, the fir tip needles that I've diced into this, little coriander, a little bit of, what else did I put? I infused some garlic into this as well, and then olive oil, salt, and there you go. And here we are. So I mixed some into the vinaigrette in there, sliced some really ripe, nice tomatoes, and then also diced some fresh grand fir needles over the top. Then added salt, and it makes a nice little side.